want to solve this functional equation, we have to find all functions f taking a set of real numbers to real numbers that satisfy f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equal to 2f of x f of y for all real number x and y. Now, how do we go about this? Now, let's look at how this can be solved. Now, let's put x to be 0 and look at what the result will be. Suppose x equals to 0. So by the time we put x to be 0 here, we have f of 0 plus y, f of y plus f of, when x becomes 0, minus y is equal to 2f of 0 f of y. Okay, yes, that's what we're going to get if x is equals to 0 in the first instance. Okay, so now let's call this one equation 1. Now let's try again as well, putting y to be 0. If y is equals to 0, we have, yes, let's check, f of x plus 0, that's x, okay, plus f of y is now 0, okay, x again, okay, that will be 2f of x, then f of 0. Okay, so here this one can lead us to more solution. F of x plus f of x, that's 2f of x, it's like a plus a, that's 2a, is equal to 2f of x f of 0. So here we can divide both sides by 2f of x. This we cancel out this, so f of 0 will be equals to 1. So f of 0 will be equals to 1. Now that f of 0 equals to 1, we can substitute for that value in the equation. Let's call this one 2. What we have obtained. Now substitute for putting f of 0 equals to 1 in equation. Let's go to 1. Equation 1 here. Equation 1. So by the time we put that, so what do we have? Let's check. Let's check. Okay. Now, what's our equation 1? Oh, I've not cleaned it. Okay. We said our f of 0 is 1. So that will be what? F of y plus f of minus y is equal to 2f of y, because f of 0 is 1. So that will be what? I hope we are following. Yes, because f of 0 is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2f of, okay. So here we can say that this one goes there. We have f of minus y will be equals to, you can say that 2f of y, collecting like terms, minus f of y. So f of minus y will be equals to f of y. Beautiful, yes. So with this, now we are getting an idea that this function, is what? If anytime you have a negative value of a function, you're going to have the result to be positive. So this is obviously, if you are very familiar with types of function, this means f is even. F is an even function. F is an even function. It is an even function that when you have negative of y, it becomes positive here. So what can now, what functions will now be negative? Obviously, we have cosh function will be negative. So we can say f of x now will be, will be even rather, cosh ax, and you can also have it as a cos bx. Yes, these are even functions. Yes, these are even functions. So we can have f of x will be this or this. So now, but let's if our b is 1, suppose we say f of x is cos x. Yes, let f of x be cos x. Both of these are correct. our A here are real A and B are real numbers, you know. They are real numbers, so anything can be there. But suppose our B is 1. Okay, so going back to the given problem. The given problem says that f of x plus y plus f of x minus y is equals to 2f of x f of y. Yes, beautiful. Now, by the time we assume that our f of x should be cos x, that means this will be what? Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y will be equals to what? 2 cos now x plus y, f of x, 2 cos x plus y. Now we can say, you know, it's 2 of it now, cos x minus y. This could be 2 cos x plus 2 cos x plus, which you will invariably replace. Okay, so let's replace this by cos x cos y, since we are talking about, you know, f of x is cos x, so f of x is cos x. That's a mistake. Okay, so that what 2 f of x is cos x from our assumption, cos x cos y. Thank you. I think that is an error, so thank you for the correction. So now cos x cos y. Now if you look at this holistically, you observe that this function is generated from the idea of the addition angle formula. Okay, yes, when you find cos x plus y, shall we check? Let's check. Okay, you know, cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sine x sine y. Can you still remember that? Let's go down with equation 1. Now cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sine x sine y. Let's go down with equation 2. And the question says if adding them together, so we add now. This will cancel out this, of course. Minus will cancel plus. So adding them together becomes cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to, this will be 2 cos x cos y. Can see? So that means the solution of this expression is cos x, obviously. It can also be cos, but what actually simplifies this version is f of x is equals to what? Is equals to cos x. So we can say that. So there we can say hence the solution is f of x is equals to cos x. You know, hence the solution is f of x is equals to cos x, and f of x is equals to cos x. F of x is equals to cos x and f of x equals to cos x. So with this, we have come to the end of this problem. I'm Dr. OJ. Do well to click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And also do well to share my link, my video link, my channel link, comments, and and like the videos. God bless you.